Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this wireless CarPlay adapter. This is the 2025 AI box for iPhones and Android Autos. It is equipped with YouTube, Netflix, and it supports TF cards. Alright, so right here we have our little adapter. This one here is a CarPlay adapter. You just plug it in. So if you're like myself, who does not have wireless adapter to your CarPlay, this one here plugs into your car, but it does give your phone the wireless capability just with this one. So this little piece gets connected to your car, which gives out a wireless signal to your phone. So this one does come equipped with Netflix, YouTube. It's for Android Auto as well as the iPhone. So this one here is a plug and play. All you have to do is plug it in and it's good to go. You can see the box is really tiny, so it doesn't take up much room. This CarPlay adapter, you can watch YouTube videos, you can watch Netflix movies, you can play your music. So this one here has a C to C and it also has a C to USB. I use the C to C because my car is only equipped with a Type C. So what I'm going to do is grab the user manual. This is super easy. All you do is plug it in, you pair it with your phone, and you can go into the apps. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have other ones where you can mirror your screen on your phone. So this one is just basically the YouTube app and the Netflix app, and then you can also play your music on there. You have your GPS, everything on there except for the mirror screen. This one has a low latency. The connection is a built-in dual band 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.3. So you can see that the box right here is super tiny. This is where you'll plug it into your car. On the back, you do have the option to plug into a USB right there. And then the front is a Type C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my car. And then I'm going to play a YouTube video so you can see how nice this looks on your car radio. So you can see it's super easy to connect. It sounds really good in my car. If you're looking for a nice wireless adapter to get CarPlay, especially to watch YouTube and Netflix, I would highly recommend checking this one out.